how to connect MetaTrader account with Vantage. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to connect MetaTrader with Vantage. So let's get started. First, just head over to your MetaTrader application and just click on this course or head over to this course section. So if you have an existing account, just tap on this add trading account button over here and it will take you to this broker page. Now simply search in this broker page or here at the find broker option over here and simply search in for Vantage just like this. Now here you need to carefully choose in which Vantage company you have an account with. So let's say if you have an account with this Vantage FX Pty Ltd. So you just tap on that and now from here you just basically have to enter your login credentials such as your login details, password, as well as your server. So once you do all of that, just like this, just click on login and you should be successfully connecting MetaTrader with Vantage of your account. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.